repeating. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Chester, and Montgomery.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:11 p.m., the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing hail up to the size of pennies and wind gusts in excess of 34 knots from 13 nautical miles north of Bush River to 5 nautical miles northwest of Susquehanna Flats, moving southeast at 35 knots. This line of thunderstorms will be near Susquehanna Flats, Stephanie Island, Turkey Point, Elk River, wind gusts of at least 34 knots, large hail, locally high waves and dangerous lightning can be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:45 p.m. for northern Chester, west central Montgomery, and south central Berks counties.